you have to check out Company Cam. Okay, here's the premise. You've got guys working out in the field. You can't be out in the field all the time. So you need what's happening in the field to be documented, the whole process. You know that, you're already taking pictures, you're submitting them to the insurance company. Company Cam makes that entire process way simpler. So when your guy goes out in the field, here's what Company Cam does. He goes to take a photo. Company Cam is gonna figure out the address where you're at, okay? Boom. It's gonna pop the pin right where I am. It's gonna figure out the address. There I am, I'm gonna start taking photos, okay? So now that photo is saved, it's connected to this project, and it is instantly synced to the cloud. So whether you as an owner or manager are in your truck, you're at the office, you are seeing exactly what's happening on that job site in real time, okay? This is all about documenting your work so that you're not getting blamed for damage you didn't do, and so that you know what's going on out in the field without having to be on the phone all day or driving to every job site. It's all right here on Company Cam.